Hello friends, today on this video I'm going to unbox and review ptron tangent light. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you can see here the box is very beautiful, but let's check from the guidelines, okay, of the back box. Okay, so here is the guidelines. You can pause the video and check the guidelines. Okay. Connectivity advanced wireless, transmission range 10 m, open space, frequency response 20 Hz, 20 kz. Okay. So driver size 10 mm, talk time about 8 hours, playback time about 8 hours, charging voltage DC 5 volt 1A, battery capacity 120 mAh, Li polymer, charging time 1.5 hour, charging interface micro USB. So you can choose the color also, black, yellow, green, red. Okay, from here, but I ordered the black color. Okay, you can see here. So here is it. So let's check the box. Okay, open it. So here I'm going to open it. So I don't know how it will be. So I have opened this and let's check out this one. Okay. Wow, it's very beautiful, right? Here is it's, see, wow, it's ptron. Okay, so you can see here it has given some extra ear dots. Okay, here is the bot. So and this one is the wireless earphone, it means the neckband. Okay, so let's check it. So here I open it and let's check the behind. See, it is like this. Okay, so you can open it. Wait for a moment. So here you have to open like this. Okay, see, here I'm going to open it. At first you have to slide like this, then from here like this, then here on the back side it will open like this. Okay, so the another one also you can open it, same thing, up, then this one down, and here it has been opened. Okay, so to take out this, you can take out this one from the upside. Here it is, just slide like this, then you can slide this one on the downside also. Okay, and friends, please subscribe the channel. So here it has been opened, so let's keep this one on the side. So here it is that wire. Okay, so let's keep this one on the side and check inside the box. Okay, so what it has given. This is the cable wire for the neckband. Okay, so let's keep this one also on the side and check here. Oh, here it has given some scanner. Okay, so let's check from here. Here it has given some extra safety. Okay, when you will lose from that one, no, you can use from here. Okay, so keep it nicely so that when needed, no, you can use it afterwards. Okay, so here I'm keeping this one. Then after that, let's check here. Okay, this one. So let's keep this box outside. Okay, and let's bring this one. So here you can see this one. Let's check it. Here it has been connected with magnet. Okay, see, it has been connected with magnet. Okay, and if you want to connect, no, I'll show you how to connect it. Okay, so here you can check it has given the plus call and the minus also. On the back side it has written something. So here you can see clearly. Okay, so if you want to connect, you have to bring the mobile phone. Okay, so what you need to do is that here you have to on the Bluetooth at first. Okay, how to on this middle button, you can check here. Just switch this one for 3 seconds like this. Just hold it for 3 seconds and here the Bluetooth will be set on. Okay, see, it has been turned on. So now let's check on the smartphone. Okay, so let's check on it. Just on the Bluetooth, and from here you are going to find the ptron bt. Okay, ptron bt. Okay, just click on ptron bt. Okay, here. Okay, after you have been pairing, here it will be. Let's check here. It's pairing now. Could not connect, no. So what you need to do is that again you have to connect it. So let's try again. So click on pair. Okay, after it has come, and here it has been connected, and audio 80% battery remaining. Okay, so now what you need to do is that if you want to play music, you can play music. Okay, okay, so from here I'm going to play some music here. Just select any song. Okay, from here. Here the sound is okay. If you want to make the volume high, you can click here with a shot. Okay, like this. And if you want to lower the volume, you can lower like this. Okay, see, from the mobile phone it used to be low. Now see, it's lowering. Okay, so if you want to high, you can high it like this. Okay, see. Okay, and play the music. You will be here too. The music is here. Okay, so you can control it like this, and if you want to pause the video, you can pause it by this buttons. Here it has been stopped. Now again on. See. Okay, you can connect it like this. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.